In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send files with Dropbox Transfer. This feature allows you to securely share files without actually sharing your entire Dropbox folder. It's a great way to send large files to clients, colleagues, or friends without worrying about email size limits. Let's dive in and walk through it step by step. First, you need to sign in to your Dropbox account. Open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find the login button usually at the top right corner. Use your credentials to sign into your account. Now that you're in, let's move on to locating the transfer feature. On the left sidebar of your Dropbox dashboard, you'll spot various options. Click on More and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Transfer. This selection will navigate you to the transfer section where you can create and manage your file transfers. A button labeled Create Transfer is usually displayed on the right side of the screen. Click on it and you'll be prompted to start selecting the files you want to send. You have two options here: drag and drop files directly from your computer into the designated area, or click on the Upload Files option to browse your files. This flexibility lets you choose the method that best suits your preferences and devices. Once your files are selected, it's a good practice to give your transfer a meaningful name, especially if you're handling multiple transfers. To do this, click the edit icon, which looks like a pencil, and rename the transfer. This can make it easier to keep track of different projects or recipients. Now, before finalizing the transfer, you have the option to set an expiration date or a password for added security. This step is particularly useful if you want the files to be accessible only for a limited time, or if you need to restrict access. Click on the gear icon to adjust these settings according to your needs. Once you're satisfied with the settings, it's time to actually create the transfer. Click Create Transfer to initiate the process. Dropbox will package your files together and prepare them for sending. After the transfer is created, you will be presented with a couple of options to share it. You can either click Send Email to send the transfer directly to someone's inbox, or Copy Link to grab a direct link that you can share through any messaging platform. That wraps up our guide on using Dropbox Transfer. Remember, this tool is incredibly useful for sending large files quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy sharing.